Hey there, and welcome to Sonoran Scale Studios. In today's video, we're going to do an informal tire test using a TRX4 Sport by Traxxas as our test truck. We're going to run them up a wood ramp, and the incline is set at such that we have to remove the body because that's the tipping point. Without the body, this thing will stay all four wheels down. Each set of tires is going to be running on a different set of wheels, and while they are varying in weight, I do add the same amount of weight aftermarket after the fact to all of my sets of wheels and tires. So they're pretty close. As I said, it's an informal test, but the Traxxas TRX4 Sport is a very popular truck and a really popular, maybe the most popular upgrade or modification would be tires or wheels and tires. So first up, stock Traxxas Canyon Trails. Second up here, these are Proline Trencher 1.9s. They're in the Predator compound. They're really popular on the market right now. Very popular tire. Another thing that I'm doing in this test is each tire is given 30 seconds. So that's 30 seconds to get the same amount of tire warm up to the rubber, the same amount of time to struggle its way as high as it can up this ramp. I'm also using full stock electronics on this Traxxas and the stock transmitter. Now I've got a nut hot glued in place as a throttle limiter, so each tire is getting the same exact amount of throttle. I'm kind of easing into it to get it onto the ramp, and then it's just getting full throttle the rest of the way. Now as we keep going through these, we've got the Proline Super Swamper. These are old set. They're in Predator compound. They're some of my favorite tires. They're beasts. Next up here, these are by Injora, and they are the Xtreme Mud Terrain. Tested these out on a couple different trucks. The Injora Jeep build, also tested them in a previous video out on the Capra. They're a cool tire. They're smaller, a little smaller profile, more of like a class 1 size tire, but they're pretty cool. They're accurate looking, very scale, and pretty cheap, perform pretty good. Here we've got Team Associated licensed general grabbers. You're gonna find these coming on a ready to run, like the freshly unboxed Ecto that we've added to the channel. Make sure you check out those videos as well. That truck's been really cool and a lot of fun to get to know. Now these tires, you can see that with the Ecto that comes with these, again, tires are one of the first upgrades, and this is often a reason why. Those tires look good, they just don't perform. These are some of the most popular tires that there are because of price, availability, and they work pretty darn good. They're by Injora. They're known as the Super Swamper Rocks tire, also commonly known within this hobby as the Hyrax, or the Chinese clone for the Proline Hyrax. Pretty good tire, decent price, really available. Here we've got Pitbull Growlers. Now Pitbull offers a couple different compounds, an alien compound, which is supposed to be stickier, softer, more aggressive, faster wearing. These are the more conservative Komp compound, which gets better as it wears, but it wears a little longer. It's a little stiffer. I think that this is a great tire. It's a little larger in size overall, width and height, just a little bit, but they're a very good tire, and I do find it to be true that as they break in, they've gotten better. Now this is another offering. We're gonna have a separate standalone video with a full review on these tires. They're offered by AllStar Hobby, and they're a real knockoff of a Proline crawler, including and right down to the PL part number being right on the sidewall of these bad boys. So again, stay tuned for a separate video on those. They're pretty decent for the price, and they're fresh out of the box. Now one more time, Proline Trenchers. I've got the tires flipped around here. In the original video on these, I talked about, do we know which direction this tread pattern is supposed to go? So we've got it flipped around here, and we're getting some different results. I did these They were second on the list and saved this till the end so their compound had full time to cool off. It was getting an accurate, comparison. So let's go through the list. Traxxas Canyon Trails. These have been modified, delugged, sipes added. They're a classic tire, and really for an RTR and an out-of-the-box available tire, they're pretty awesome. 28.5 inches. Proline Trenchers. These are Predator compound. This is with these shoulder or kind of the outside of the center row of lugs angled to the rear of the vehicle. 21.5 inches up the ramp. Proline Super Swampers, also in Predator compound. These are old, they're very worn in. But you saw once they heated up, they just instantly grabbed like glue. Climbed right up 39 inches and maxed out on the ramp. These Injora Xtreme Mud Terrains, again, like I said, they're a little smaller outside diameter overall profile. They did pretty decent and they're pretty inexpensive. 23.5 inches up the ramp. The associated electronics, general grabbers, leave a lot to be desired at 17 inches up the ramp. That is really pretty poor for performance. The Injora Super Swampers or cloned Hyrax. This is why they're popular. They're cheap, and you can see by the number there, 24.5 inches. That's decent. I mean, it's right there kind of in the middle. Pitbull Growlers in Komp compound, 28.5 inches. I've had these tires for about a year. They've got quite a few hours on them, and they're holding up really well. I do find that the traction is increasing as they wear in, just like they're advertised. Now, these are the AllStar Hobby, in my opinion, knockoff Proline crawlers. They came in at 18.5 inches. Pretty weak performers, but in their defense, they're fresh out of the pack. They haven't been used yet. Now, back to these Proline trenchers. We talked about lug direction. This time they were going in the direction you see in this photo, 31 inches up the ramp. So I would say that at least on painted wood, they seem to prefer one direction over the other. Now, in the future, we're going to use this test. We're going to use it for new tires that we unveil on the channel and just have this as kind of base data to go forward with. So thanks for tuning in. Click on one of the other videos you see here and we will catch you guys in the next one.